Go High Level Wizard here, and now I'm going to be going over and setting up the 3 different kinds of chat widgets on Go High Level. Before we jump in though, please go right down below and smash that subscribe button. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment down below. So we're going to come right down to sites, and we're going to go right into chat widgets, and be brought to a page like this. So all you got to do to create a chat widget is click new, but then you'll be brought to 3 options right here. And this is really important that you understand this because I get a lot of questions on this because a lot of people are confused as to what these 3 different chat widgets are. Your first chat widget is the SMS email chat widget. This is a form submission and it's meant for people that take a while to respond. As you see right here, it's great for teams that are staffed or not staffed 24/7. You come in here, this is exactly what it looks like. It's a form submission. You put in your info, you click, send now. They may send an email back. It's like one of those things on a website where it's like request help and you put it in and it just takes a bit of time. So this is not instant, definitely not geared towards sales necessarily. Then you have live chat. What this is basically a chat widget that plugs into the AI chatbot and it's immediate, or you can put some time on it, but it's basically immediately to sell, to work with, and it's much better for if you're trying to get sales. And this is what it looks like. You can plug in your info, you just add stuff in, and it basically just starts messaging instantly. It's not a form submission. It's different than this. This is just a form submission. The live chat is basically a immediate chat window. And if you come to conversational AI, you can just click this right here and you can add the live chat. So the AI chatbot hooks up and just starts messaging your leads. Last but not least, you have WhatsApp. So this is very similar to the email chat, except it's just connected to WhatsApp. And again, very, very good if you're overseas and you're not doing the email or SMS and you're just using WhatsApp. It looks like this right here. It's very similar to the first one. It's you put in your info and then it just starts chatting via SMS. And again, you send it that template message, and I have a full video on that, so check that out. But that's how this works. But here you are. You have the 3 options. And again, it just depends on what you're trying to do. If you want to just have something basic where you don't have to do a lot of work, this is perfect for you. If you're trying to do sales, this is perfect for you. And if you have WhatsApp, please use this. For the sake of the video, we're just going to go into this one because all the builders are the same, as you'll see. And once you understand how to do one of them, you understand how to do all of them. So we're going to click select. And it's going to bring you to a page that looks just like this. So quick recap, to create a page, you just click new and you select the one right there. And I brought you back to this page because I want to show you each of these chatbots. Got created 3 of them. You'll see SMS and email chat. That's the first one. Live chat and WhatsApp. They'll have these tags so you know exactly what they are. And you can just click these 3 dots to delete them, clone them, or go in and edit them. So I'm going to go through one. And once you understand one, you'll understand all. That way you can basically create as many of these as you want. And then you can see which ones are what. The last thing you want is to have a bunch of chat widgets and you don't know what the hell they are. And you're like, what's going on? So this will solve that. So you have these 3 basic tabs. And I want to show you in the regular one, the live chat, and the WhatsApp chat, they're all the same. All 3 of them are the same. The only time it's different though, okay, and all 3 of these are literally identical. So again, as I said before, one you understand all, is the live chat. Because when you come in here, there's some basic stuff for AI chatbots, which I'm going to go over last so you understand that. But first, I'm just going to go quickly over what all of these are so you understand how to build this chat widget, and then you have that skill, and then I'll show you the little AI chatbot settings. So the first thing is styles. So first you have the chat prompt, which you can pick either one of these. You can turn it off. You then have the chat icon, which is this down here as you see. So you can pick what you want for that. Pretty cool. You can change it to whatever you want. Then you can even add your own image in there. Pick the colors of the chat widget right here as you see, or add your own. You'll have your welcome message. So this will be basically the first message sent. So you configure that however you want. And then you can enable greeting. And then you just put in whatever you want and you're good to go. Then you have widget customization. Okay, so you can allow the avatar image. You can turn that off. There's no avatar image, or you can turn it back on. And by clicking this right here, you can replace it. And guys, seriously, please replace it. I swear, we see this image of this girl everywhere. It's like, bro, we all know it's a chat widget. Put your face, employee's face. Put something other than that because it looks more professional. Again, you click that and you add it. Widget position, this is awesome. You can pick where you want the widget on a website page. Again, if you have products right here, you may not want to open this up and it's covering up your products. That would be just stupid. So you can pick whatever you want right here, which is really cool, very simple. And then right down here, you have basically customization of the form. Do you want it smaller? Do you want it bigger? And you adjust these via chat widget width and chat widget height. Okay, so it's very simple. It's very straightforward. You just go through, rewatch this if you have to. Once you understand that, you can create a lot of the look and feel. Then you're going to have the chat window. Okay, so this is where you're configured the text and the way it works. So I have a question. As you see, it's right up here. And again, real quick, this is the same for all the other chat widgets. So it's the exact same thing. Once you understand one, you understand them all. I'm saying this again because, we got to be reminded more than we got to be taught. So right here, you can put whatever you want, as you see right there. It edits that right there. Right here, this will be what's right here, and you can edit that however which way you want. Then right in here in the contact form, you're going to pick what you want. So do you want name, phone, and message? Do you want custom fields? And you just click this drop down and you can pick whatever you want, or you can just delete them. Okay, like, oh, check that out. Or you can put, that's a custom field or whatever. You add whatever you want and you put it in right there. Then you have the send button, so you can make this say test. So you pick whatever you want. You can redirect to a call to action. So this could go to a website or something else once they submit that form. We're not going to do that for now. So all that is very simple, very straightforward. You just walk right through it. Then you have additional options. So down here in Powered By, this can be a great way to build a link. And the way you can do that is by literally just coming in right here. You can do Powered By or Sponsored By or whatever you want. You put in the name right there and it's already going to link, and then you put in the URL. So you just copy and paste whatever you want, and it will link to this, and then you click it, and it brings you up to whatever you wanted. And this can be great, again, for a backlink or something else, or whatever you want, because it's free traffic. Then right here, you select the compliance. You can just put that in there. If you have that, just to know you are compliant. So that's the whole thing with the chat window. And you're going to have messaging. So you have acknowledgement. This is like the message it sends after. So you can put a support or contact number. You can put acknowledgement message. So get rid of that. It could just be like, amazing. Like, you get what I'm saying. You put whatever you want. You put the main title right there, as you see. You can put whatever icon or pick your own right there. And then again, you can pick the color of the icon. So it's got a lot of different functionality. But again, I'm just going right through it. You'll see it. It's very simple, very straightforward. That way you can edit it just the way you want. And then right here, you can pick what language you want. High level is awesome because they include everyone. So you can pick whatever you want, whatever language you want this to be, and set it up like that, and then you're good to go. So that is how you customize all of the chat widget. And again, this is the same for all three. So you come right in here and you just customize it whatever way which you want, and then you make it look a certain way. But now I want to go to the live chat because we have these other features in here. And again, everything else is the same, so you don't got to worry about that. But right here, these couple things just make it a little bit different. So live chat assigned. So first, you can enable a contact form, which if you come right back here is this bad boy right here. So you can enable that. You can show live chat widget menu, so you can change that, which is what it basically is sent. Then you have timeout, delay, user, and activity time. This is for if you have a chat bot and you want it to basically not immediately just go in and message them nonstop and rack up a bill. It'll just basically stop after a certain amount of time. And again, this will pop up, so it'll be like, hey, we're sorry, no one's available if you haven't messaged us. Or you could be like, where you at, dog? Or, get creative with it. But you put in whatever, and that's basically the message they will get if they're inactive. Then you have live chat close. So after how long does this shut down? Again, with an AI chatbot, you may want to put a governor on it so people aren't just asking a bunch of stupid-ass questions and it just never ends as this vicious cycle. So you put that there. And again, the same thing, the message they will get once that happens. And then you have business office hour setup of all the office hours. And it's very simple. You can just pick which ones you want, pick which ones are online or offline. You come here and customize the time by clicking this, okay, adding a new time. And to delete, you just click this little trash can, or you can click this right here and you can clone days. I mean, it's so easy. Like it is so easy, and you just pick what you want just like that. And then you have all the times you want. So this is for the live chat. You just have that extra bit of customization. So you come in and you add it however which way you want. That way you get that extra customization. So now the last thing I want to go to is the WhatsApp message, because there is one little thing here, and you come in here and it's WhatsApp settings. And again, you can pick which number you want, and this is just how you add that WhatsApp number. It's so simple, so straightforward. But other than that, that is it. So you now know how to build an SMS email chat, a live chat, and a WhatsApp, and you know how to customize them and make them look really cool. But now you got to make them live, and you got to plug them on your website. So now we got to go do that. So just so we're going to come right here, we're going to click edit, and it's going to bring us in right here. So when you come right in here, and this is the same for all of them, you have two different options. So you have get on WordPress or get code. So get on WordPress, and if you don't know what WordPress is, it's just a big website builder, and you basically have plugins that you add. And you can just add the lead connector app. That way you can, or the lead connector plugin, so you can plug it into WordPress and make it work. So this is pretty cool if you do have a WordPress website, so you can plug this in and then use said chat widget on there. But we're not going to be doing that because we're not talking about WordPress today. We're talking about the almighty GHL. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click get code. So same for all of them. You just click get code, and you'll use this one right here. And all you're going to do is you're going to click this, and you're going to copy it. Okay? Or just click this. So you copy it. Then we're going to move to the website you want it on. Okay, so I'm in the website. So remember, again, in the settings, go to sites, websites, pick your website, and then be brought here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add it. So there's a couple different ways you can technically add this. You go right in here to tracking code. You come right into footer tracking. So remember the text we just copied? We're going to paste that right in here, and then we're going to click save. And then we're going to come right in here, and we're going to click save. Then we're going to click view. And voila, there it is. Chatbot just like that, the exact one we configured, and it will pop up just like this on the page. Remember, you can move it all the way around. You know how to customize it and all this other stuff. So it is that freaking easy. How cool is that? And again, if you want live chat, you want all that other stuff, you just plug it in just like that, and you now will have as many website chat widgets as you want. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. GHL Wizard loves that you're here. He really does. I hope you guys are all blessed and very abundant. If you are interested in learning more about high level, I have a 30-day free trial link down below. Not a 14-day, an exclusive 30-day free trial. If you sign up for that, you get goodies, snapshots, personal help from me, setting up your account, and access to a potential partnership idea where I will show you really how to make money with this and grow your agency / business. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Any questions or comments, please drop them right down below. And as always, Go High Level Wizard out.